But once or twice a year, depending on how hard the water is in your home, a full descale can help with water pressure and flow. Here's how to do it. Begin this project by unscrewing the shower head by gripping the shower neck with a pipe wrench. Next, open the shower head holes by soaking the head overnight in a vinegar bath and stains on your shower's glass. Just wait until all the bleaching stuff is done, please. You could buy a store-bought home cleaner like Barkeeper's Friend at $6.34. If the hard water stains aren't that bad, then feel free to use whatever glass cleaner you keep around. And use it to get rid of lingering rust stains in your sink and sink area. You don't need to scrub very hard at all. The acid in the lemon will do most of the work for you. It took seconds, cost nothing, and most important of all is that it actually works. With toilet cleaning, go the extra mile and clean your siphons, aka the water holes in your toilet. Banish that greasy dust that inevitably builds up wherever you cook with a little bit of mineral oil. This is an image on the top of the microwave where dust has mixed with aerated oil to make a thin film of gunk that's really tough to clean. Put a couple drops of mineral oil on a paper towel. Wipe the paper towel over the dirty surface and watch the gunk come right off. When you are done cleaning, simply wipe down the surfaces one more time with a new paper towel. This leaves the surface coated lightly in oil, which makes future oil splatters mush. If your couch is covered in fabric and not leather, sprinkle baking soda on it to get rid of odors. Here's how to do it. First, sprinkle the entire couch with a good heap of baking soda. Baking soda helps release lurking smells and breaks up stains in the fabric. Mix together 1 teaspoon dishwashing liquid, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 cup warm water, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Dip the washcloth in the cleaning solution and gently dab and rub stains, or simply use for wiping down the entire couch. Allow the couch to dry, and touch up as needed. It may appear darker in color until it's completely dry. 18. You'll get perfectly dust-free lampshades, zero frustration, and a little bit of fun too. 19. If you don't want to pay to have your area rug professionally cleaned, you can wash it out in the driveway. After vacuuming your rugs, take them outside to a cemented area. Hose down your rugs until they are completely saturated with clean water. Next, you will pour some laundry detergent on your rug and then spray water over the soapy areas to create a few bubbles. And then begin brushing your rug.